COVID-19 cases are on the rise in Florida. The health department says there's a nearly 30% uptick in positive cases. And that is nearly a 7% increase from last week.
The good news, most of the cases are not as severe as we saw in the past few years. News4Jax reporter Brianna Andrews is live at the Duval County Health Department in Hogan's Creek. Brianna, health experts are tracking 3 new strains.
Scott, most public health officials are concerned about the 2 most dominant strains. Now, I spoke with an infectious disease specialist who says it is so important for everyone to keep up to date with vaccinations and booster shots.
Coronavirus cases are starting to pick back up again. Ryan Rosardo and Amber Withrow recently tested positive, and now 3 out of the 5 members in their household have it.
So my first question, how are you guys doing right now?
We're getting there. Slowly but surely.
Every time I feel like I'm starting to get out of it, it just comes back, and now it's just been all in my chest.
Ryan and Amber got COVID only once before, back in 2020. Brian's 83-year-old mother, Bernice, never got it until now.
I think we first noticed when she was starting to eat less and everything. We're like, are you okay? And still, if you ask her now, I'm fine. But then she'll be coughing so bad, that she's almost throwing up.
Public health officials are tracking 3 new COVID-19 strains, BA.286, XBB.1.5, and EG.5. Infectious disease specialist Dr. Mobeen Rathore says these new variants do not compare to the previous Delta variant.
Most of the cases are not that severe. We are seeing often there's incidental finding. Mind you, there are some very severe cases requiring ventilators and there's even still causing death.
By the end of this month, a new COVID-19 booster is expected to be available to the public. It does not protect against all 3 strains.
Don't forget that even though there may not be 100% protection against the infection, there may be some cross protection. So you may, even if you get the infection, it may not be as severe as it could be if you had not had the vaccine.
And last fall we dealt with the triple-demic. That's RSV, flu, and COVID-19 all at the same time. Now, Dr. Rathore does say it is possible to see that again this fall. For now, reporting live, Brianna Andrews, Channel 4, the local station.